welcome to my channel, the Tadka Project. Today I'm going to show you how to make 2 easy Ayurvedic tonic recipes that work as a great replacement to the usual warm lemon water in the mornings. The first recipe is a healing and immune boosting cinnamon clove tonic, and the second recipe is a fennel ginger tonic, which is a powerful digestive aid. These recipes also work great as we move into the colder months, so let's get cooking. For the cinnamon clove tonic, here I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You can substitute this with 4 to 5 Ceylon cinnamon sticks instead. 3 to 4 cloves that I've crushed with a mortar and pestle. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder. And a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. In a pot here on medium-high heat, I'm going to add 2 cups of hot water. Once the water comes to a simmer, I'm going to add in the cinnamon powder, crushed cloves, cumin powder, and the black pepper powder. I'm going to mix all of this really well and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'm only going to let it boil for around 2 to 3 minutes. If you're using cinnamon sticks instead of the powder, you can boil it for 5 to 6 minutes to release its potency. I'm now going to turn off my element and strain the mixture into a cup. This tonic is filled with antioxidants, and all the spices in this mixture have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon can be great for regulating blood sugar levels. Clove has antifungal and antibacterial properties. Cumin is an amazing digestive aid. And black pepper is very healing to the body in small quantities as well. I like to drink a cup of this tonic as is, but you can also add a sweetener of your choice like jaggery or maple syrup. You can also sip this tonic throughout the day. For the fennel ginger tonic, here I have 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds that I've ground coarsely with a mortar and pestle, half to 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. In a pot here on medium-high heat, I'm going to add 2 cups of hot water. Once the water comes to a simmer, I'm going to add in the fennel powder and the grated ginger. I'm going to mix all of this really well and bring it to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, I'm going to let it go for 2 to 3 minutes. And this entire process should only take around 8 to 10 minutes. It's been 2 to 3 minutes. My tonic has been boiling away, so I'm now going to turn off my element and strain the mixture into a cup. Once again, you can add a sweetener of your choice like jaggery or maple syrup, but I like to drink it as is because I really enjoy the sweetness of the fennel seeds. Both fennel and ginger are great digestive aids and also have pain relieving properties, which makes this tonic really good for menstrual cramps. It also helps to relieve unwanted bloating, which is so great. You can have both these recipes first thing in the morning or even sip it throughout the day. Both these tonics have worked wonders for me, but this is no replacement for real medical advice. So please consult your healthcare practitioner if you're going through more serious concerns, but these tonics will help to manage overall health in general. It's best to make these tonics fresh and not make a big batch and store it in the fridge, because that way we won't retain the potency of the spices. But to make the process easier, we can always powder the spices in advance, so it makes the cooking process easier. I hope you enjoy these recipes. Please let me know in the comments if you try them out and if you want to see more Ayurvedic recipes. And please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday. And I'll see you next time with another dish. Bye.